and then we'll have a look around here where the chain is. And you can see right here that the chain has actually come off the cog. So I'll show you how to put it back on. And okay, so first of all, you grab here and try and latch it back on from the top. You always put the top bit on. So I'm just gonna have to get around here and get the top bit on. Might have to. Okay, I think that should be good. Perfect. Okay, now all you do is grab the bike, make sure it's in neutral, and now you pull back and it's fixed. Let's see if it's fixed.